students of class 7. Today we will do one worksheet from the book, page number 128. So everyone get ready with the book, page 128, and take a pencil in your hand. So let's start the class. This is the page we will do today. We have fill in the blanks, true and false, writing the full form and solving the numerical sums. This three we will do it in the book, and this question number 4, solving the sums, we will do it in the computer CW copy. Okay, let's start. Fill in the blanks. Dash of a number system is the total number of digits available. Base. Octal number system has dash digits, 8 digits. Dash are slots on the motherboard for plugging in external devices. Ports. Processors embedded in small device are called microprocessors. Dash controls the display of image on our computer. Graphics card. Now fill in the blanks. Data is unprocessed facts and figures. True. Solid state drive is a volatile storage device. False. It is involatile. It is a non-volatile flash memory. USB drive is used to connect devices such as external hard disk, printer and scanner. True. Hexadecimal number system consists of 16 symbols. False. It consists of 16 symbols. In the question it is given hexadecimal number consists of 10 symbols. It is false. The correct answer is 16 symbols. A bit consists of 1 or 0. True. Now the full form. DVI, Digital Video Interface. USB, Universal Serial Bus. IPO, Input Process Output. IC, Integrated Circuit. Modem, Modulator, Demodulator. Now this 3 questions you will do it in the book, and this question we will do it in the computer CW copy. So let's start that. Now the first question. Convert binary numbers to decimal number. How to do that? First, for converting the binary number to decimal number, we have to write the places of the digits. So writing the places from the right hand side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now we will start the sum. These numbers are written of the base of 2. So first for the digit 1. 1 into 2 to the power 6. This 6 comes from the place. Plus. Next 1. 1 into 2 to the power 5. Plus. Next. 1 into 2 to the power 4. Next. Plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. Next. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 2. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 1. Plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Next. 2 to the power 6 means 2 is multiplied 6 times. That gives us 64. 1 into 64 plus 1 into 32. 2 to the power 5 multiplying 2 5 times gives us 32. Plus 1 into 16. Multiplying 2 4 times gives us 16. Plus 1 into 8 plus 0. We know anything multiplied by 0 gives us 0. 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means anything to the power 0 is always 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Next. 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Now the final sum is 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. 2 in hand, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. This is the decimal number of the binary number, this one. 11110001 gives the decimal number 121. Next sum. First write the places 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will start the sum. 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Next, one into 32 plus 0 into 16 plus 1 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. So the final answer we are getting 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 42. So 101010 binary number gives the decimal number 42. Next question. Convert decimal number to binary number. This is the decimal number given. We have to write the binary form of this decimal number. For that we will do the repeated division method by 2. And we will record the remainders over here. Okay, let's start. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, 11, 2 5s are 10, again 1 is the remainder. 2 7s are 14, 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. 2 zeros are 0, 1 is the remainder. So finally we will record the remainder from bottom to top. Okay, so the binary form of the decimal number 63 is 111111. Okay, next question. 27 repeated division we will do by 2 and record the remainder over here. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 is the remainder. 2 6s are 12, 1 is the remainder. 2 3s are 6, 0 is the remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. 2 zeros are 0 and 1 is the remainder. So we will record the remainder from bottom to up. So the binary form of the decimal number 27 is 11011. I think both the type of sums are clear to all. So this is the CW work of today. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 of worksheet 1 you will do it in the book, and question 4 you will do it in the computer CW copy. Then don't forget to send both the book and the CW copy words at dphjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. And if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy, do your work, send me the work. Bye bye.